large crowds, and they have to supervise traffic on country lanes, at city intersections, at the exits from drive-ins, on bumper-to-bumper busy roads after work, and on the frantic freeways and hustling highways at all times of the day and on weekends. Now, Tim Vincent found his encounter with the Highway Patrol quite an arresting experience.
A lot of drivers are scared of these people, but in fact they're out to protect our own safety on the roads from fast and crazy drivers. They're the Highway Patrol, a vital arm of our own police force. The Highway Patrol was originally set up in 1926 under the name of the Police Public Safety Bureau, and it wasn't until 1975 that the name Highway Patrol was first used. Now, the main difference between a highway patrol car and a normal police car is in the engine. In this case, it's a turbocharged car and it can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometres per hour, so it's a much quicker off the mark than a normal police car. Today, the Highway Patrol numbers around 1,000 people and is approximately 10% of the state's police force. During the day, there's only one person in the Highway Patrol car, but in the evening and afternoon shifts, it's manned by 2 people. They may do as many as 500 kilometres a day and spend 6 hours on the road. Now, you're probably wondering what this strange-looking device is. What it does, it measures the speed of passing traffic by electromagnetic radiation. Once a speeding car is detected on the radar, it is waved down by the Highway Patrol unit. Basically, how does the radar work?
It emits a beam out of the radar unit and directs that to a vehicle that's approaching the radar and returns it to the antenna head over here, which then indicates a speed that's shown here in the target window of the radar unit.
How do you pick a speeding car before you get your radar set up?
You do that through visual observation, where you look at the vehicle and it's usually moving through the traffic quicker than the rest of the vehicles.
Each Highway Patrol car operates as a police breath testing unit. During an 8-hour period of random breath testing, the unit may test around 400 motorists. How does the breathalyzer work?
It reads alcohol when it's breathed into on someone's breath. It uses one of these tubes here. It's a sterilised tube. You just remove it from the bag. It's only used once. It's attached to the top of the unit like this here. And then when it's blown into, you push the button in and it gives a reading, and it shows a reading. There's no alcohol in this one, so it shows 000.
Do you automatically breathalyse somebody when you pull them in for a speeding offence?
Yes, for a serious offence, they're always breath tested.
The Highway Patrol doesn't just operate from cars. In fact, they also use bikes. This is a 1000cc bike, and it can reach speeds of about 200 kilometres per hour also, even a little bit faster than a car. What's the first thing you do when you see somebody speeding and you're on a bike?
First thing you do is you operate the blue lights, turning that on there.
Right.
And then you sound the normal horn on the bike to indicate from pull over as you're coming up behind them. So if you didn't take any notice of that, then you sound the sirens by turning on these switches here.
What's it like being a highway patrolman?
We ask you the questions, you better come with us, I think.
See ya.
It's an interesting experience. I'll be back in a moment.
Alpha